Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Chef Panda. Today we're going to be making how to make a milkshake. And I know I may look different than before, that's because the cameraman just dressed me up in this. So, in order to make this drink, you'll need three things. Ice cream, chocolate sauce, and milk. First things first, you need to be taking 2 scoops of the ice cream with a tablespoon. If you want your ice cream more thicker, then add another scoop. But I'm going to be using 3. Alright, that should do it. Next off, you need to be pouring the chocolate sauce gently. So that's how you know how much you need. Alright, that should do it. Last ingredient you need is the milk. So pour in your milk very good. Oh. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, I'll just clean up that mess later. Alright, this is good. We already got the ingredients in. Now, let's pour the top. Let's turn this. We need to be turning this so none of the things get leaked out. Alright, now I already added it into the blender. Oh yeah, and if one of you kids out there don't have a blender like this, then you're poor. But anyways, last thing we need to do is to just blend it up. Oh. Alright, let's blend this up. Yeah. That looks like a masterpiece. Alright. That'll be better. Alright, get your cup and start pouring it in. And don't make a mess. Oh dang, another mess. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now to top it all off, the straw. Yes. Yep. That looks delicious. Alright. It actually looks pretty good. Alright, now let's give this a sip. Delicious. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching.